Welcome to the Essential Calculus problem series on North Campus. In this series, we will solve the most fundamental calculus problems, including integrals, derivatives, and limits, step by step. These are the essential questions you will encounter in exams like midterms and finals, and mastering them will give you a solid foundation in calculus. Today, we start with one of the classics, integral of sine x dx. Integral of sine x dx. First, we look at the nature of sine function. We recall that the derivative of cosine x is minus sine x. Derivative of cosine x is equal to minus sine x. Think about it. To get sine x, when we take the derivative, which function do we need? In simpler terms, taking an integral is the reverse of taking a derivative. Since derivative of cosine x is equal to minus sine x, integral of minus sine x dx is equal to cosine x plus a constant. And integral of sine x dx, derivative of minus cosine x is equal to minus sine x, and this is equal to sine x. Then integral of sine x dx will be minus cosine x plus a constant.